and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign in into your cooperative online banking account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.bank.cooperativebank.co.uk. Once you do this, you'll end up in the official website of Cooperative Bank. So now to log in into your account or to sign in, simply type in your login credentials like a username. And if you have forgotten your login credentials, then simply tap on forgotten your login. Now you need to either type in your username reminder or your reset password option by contacting them. So, if you are new to your corporate banking and you want to sign in by creating an account, then simply tap on register for online banking and then hit the start button. After this, you need to type in your first name, your last name, and then you need to usually show your national ID or any other account details by following the on-screen prompts. So this will be allowing you to create a username and password for your account, because of which you can start your online journey in Cooperative Bank. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.